Okay, so if you're like me and you try to justify your reasoning for spending so much on things that are probably just something that a basic is wearing, then you have definitely come to the right channel. What's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie here on YouTube, and if you love all things luxury, fashion, and lifestyle, you should definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so basically you guys already know from the title that I'm just going to be reviewing with you guys and slash like unboxing with you guys the Loewe tank top. I don't even know. I just tried to justify why I decided to splurge on this tank top because let's be real, it is just a tank top, but I've honestly been seeing it all over social media, like all over TikTok, Instagram, even tried to buy a dupe version of it, but it just wasn't doing justice. And I don't even know what it is because, yeah, I mean, you'll see when I unbox it, but I don't know. I'm really happy with it, and I'm just hoping and trying to justify to myself that I'll just be wearing this tank top for the entirety of summer and then also into fall and maybe even winter. I'm just going to wear chunky cardigans like this and put that top underneath. So honestly, if this is a top that I'm going to be wearing for the rest of my eternity, then yeah, I can justify this purchase because it is way overpriced and it's all about, like, I feel like the hype, and this is just a trend going on. And I've watched so many tutorials too of like how this is just like the new Gucci t-shirt. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, let me just go ahead and get into this video because that is why you guys clicked on this video. But honestly, I just ordered this online because, as you guys probably already know, this has been fully sold out so many places. So I was able to get pretty much their like last size online, but honestly love how the packaging came. It was so beautiful. I was not expecting this. At first I was like, wait, I just bought a tank top. Why is this box huge? But this is the way that they package it, so we love. So let me just go ahead and open this up for you guys. And here she is. So basically it just came with my receipt and a bunch of other things as well. Oh, I guess like this is the return card and then the tissue paper, and I have no idea what this is. It's a security sticker. But honestly, the biggest thing that we want to know about is the tank top. So this one is your iconic anagram Loewe tank top that you have been seeing everywhere. I'm kind of embarrassed, honestly, to talk about pricing for this because I would throw up, honestly, just thinking about how I spent this much on a tank top. But this one is $390, I believe. Like I said, I think I just tried justifying it because I feel like I could get a lot of wear out of this, and it's just really cute. I feel like it just really makes an outfit. Like honestly, a lot of shorts and jeans that I've been looking at, I think it would just be really cute for the summer and then coming into fall to pair with. They do have a cropped version of this one as well. That one is also very cute, and I was kind of tempted to buy that too, but I'm just like, no, I am trying to stay away from crop tops these days because I'm getting of that age where I probably shouldn't be wearing crop tops anymore. No, that's not true. Honestly, if you have an amazing body, like look at Kim Kardashian. She is like in her 40s, thriving, and she still looks amazing in crop tops, so I shouldn't use that as an excuse. But anyway, basically because I got this, I was just like, I shouldn't really justify buying the crop top as well. But yeah, anyway, they have it in the crop top, which is like a little bit cheaper. Honestly, it's not that much cheaper. I think it's like $355 or something. I will definitely insert the pricing on the screen just in case I'm completely off. And then as far as other colors, this also does come in black, which also looks very pretty too, especially with the little design here in the middle. It also looks really nice. I think it's more of like a white outer line for that one if it's the black version, but that one also is very nice too if you're not a fan of the white color. Basically, I ended up getting this from the actual Loewe website because they also do sell it at Bergdorf Goodman. They also sell it on Neiman Marcus, but I think you can't even find it on Neiman Marcus anymore because it's completely sold out. I'm trying to think of other department stores that have it, but basically, long story short, a lot of them are just sold out, so that's why I ended up just getting it from the Loewe website themselves, and the shipping was super fast. I think I ordered it on a Monday and it literally came on a Wednesday, which was amazing. So if you're like in a time crunch situation and you need it right away, I would definitely recommend getting it off the site. As far as sizing, like I said, they only had one sizing left, and this one is actually an extra small. And usually I am just a small, and sometimes I would opt for a medium if it's like sweaters or something like that, depending on how baggy I want it to look. But I know this was going to be more like form-fitted. And honestly, the extra small just fits me as if it was a small. So the material for this is super stretchy, as you can probably already tell. I honestly, if this came in an extra small, I probably would have gotten it in an extra small just to make it more fitted. But yeah, it's really comfy. The only downside I would say with this one is that it is extremely see-through, which is where it's kind of disgusting when you think about the price, because you're paying all this money and then it's barely that much fabric that you're paying for. But honestly, sometimes I kind of like the see-through top. Honestly, when I'm doing the side-by-side of me trying this on, you will see that I'm wearing a bright pink bra with this top, which wasn't very ideal, but I just was too lazy to switch to a nude bra or something like that, or a black bra. But anyway, I kind of like the see-through look. Like, I feel like it'd be kind of cute in a way when I'm wearing like a white bra and you can see through the tank top of this, if that makes sense. That probably sounds really stupid of me saying that out loud, but I don't know what it is. I kind of like that look. That's the only thing that I would keep in mind. I will say the dupe version that I did have, I just didn't like it because the material was super thick. It was honestly still kind of pricey, the dupe. I think I got it for like a little bit under $100, but I don't know what it was. I just wanted the real thing, because you know what? My channel is all about luxury goods, and Steph just has to get her high precision luxury goods. She wants the real thing. She doesn't want dupes. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking in third person. Overall, I really like this top, and it kind of like made me feel a little bit better because I was trying to get an off-white t-shirt, because usually I will explain that on my channel, I am never usually the one who buys like designer clothing pieces. I am definitely a strong advocate for just spending luxury goods on accessories, because I feel like that's honestly what pops an outfit, and what people, I guess, notice the most is usually the bags and the shoes. But as far as clothing, especially if it's fast fashion, like I feel like I'd rather just go to Zara or something like that and get like it significantly cheaper, especially if it's not going to be something that's in trend the next month, or I don't know. I just don't see myself liking it again next year. But this is honestly my first, I guess, clothing piece from a high-end designer shop. So I guess maybe that's why I'm making such a big deal of it for the pricing of it, because I know some people are probably just like, you know, like that, I was expecting worse with the way that you keep saying it's so expensive. Or maybe some people are like me and thinking that it's absolutely ridiculous for a tank top. That's just my point of view and like why I feel like this is definitely overpriced. So I guess to answer a lot of people's questions where they're probably asking, is it worth buying? For me, I feel like it was, because like I said, I can see myself getting a lot of use out of this. I honestly like the see-through effect to it, because I know some people probably might hate that, and that's where it would probably not be worth it if you're thinking about buying it. And honestly, just you have to love the brand too. Like Loewe is a brand that I wasn't really very familiar with, but honestly all pieces are amazing and I absolutely love that brand. So, and I don't have that brand in my collection actually, so this is just like a new piece to add now. But yeah, those are my overall thoughts with this tank top. Hopefully you guys found this interesting or helpful, and I kind of helped you out wondering if you should go ahead and splurge on it or just get the dupe version. I wish I still had the dupe version, but I ended up selling it, so I could have done like a comparison on the two, but they were quite similar. Like I said, it was literally just the thickness of it and that was kind of it. So that's also something that you could do if you're not like me, who's crazy and spends an exorbitant amount of money for no reason on a tank top. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Also, feel free to check me out on my other social medias. I do outfit of the days on TikTok, and then I also do shorts 3 times a week and upload them on YouTube. And then follow me on my Instagram, where you guys can follow me around, because I am very much so a foodie as well, so you can see fashion and food at the same time. Thanks again, guys. Love you.